This is bigger size.
Fly, fly, the butterfly, the butterfly, fly, fly, the butterfly. Guys, dito sa Jordan. Tignan nyo yan, barbecue. Temple Street. Oh my God. Guys, oh. Tara, ka-open pa lang nila. Anong oras na? Yan din guys, oh. Wow. Ay, alam na natin. Pika-pika dito. Wow. Look at that.
May oyster doon. Nakita
Oyster? That's oyster. Wow. Very good. Grabe guys. Wow, egg tart. Puro kainan dito guys. Sayang kumain lang ako ng pho. Look at the apple with sugar. They call it, there's a word. Ano nga to? Anong tawag dito guys? Tapos i-ano nila sa ano, parang apple cube. There's a word for that. I forget. Apple yan guys. Strawberry naman yan. Oh, different flavor of taste. Guys, look what I saw. There's balot here guys. I like that. I cannot resist it. Not today.
Come back. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Hello.
Wow guys, it will start tomorrow. Kaya pala hindi pa open. Wow. Temple Street. Kuhanin ko yung Temple Street. Cannot see. Say hi. Not be seen by the Temple Street is here. Wow. It also halo-halo. Oh my God.
Squid. Large, 50. Ang mura lang. Oh my God.
But I want the balut and halo-halo. Ito guys, oh. 50 ang tatlo.
Masinig.
Look at that.
Ba't sarado?
They serve fried rice. Thank you, Bunso.